Agiloft Workflow Online Training. What is Agiloft Workflow and how does it enhance business process automation? Agiloft Workflow is a powerful tool designed to automate and streamline business processes within the Agiloft Contract Life Cycle Management (CLM) platform. It provides a rule-based workflow engine that enables organizations to define, execute, and monitor automated workflows across different business functions. Key features of Agiloft Workflow. Rule-based automation uses conditional logic to trigger actions based on predefined criteria. Customizable Workflows supports graphical workflow modeling for process automation. Approval Processes automates multi-step approval workflows with role-based permissions. Task Automation assigns tasks, sends reminders, and escalates issues automatically. Integration Capabilities connects with third-party applications, including CRM, ERP, and ITSM tools. Audit and Compliance maintains logs for compliance tracking and reporting. How Agiloft Workflow enhances business process automation. Reduces manual effort, eliminates repetitive tasks and human intervention. Improves efficiency, ensures tasks are completed on time with automated notifications and approvals. Enhances collaboration, facilitates seamless coordination between departments and stakeholders. Ensures compliance, tracks workflows and maintains audit logs for regulatory requirements. Scalability adapts to growing business needs with configurable workflows. How to design and customize workflows in Agiloft for maximum efficiency? Designing and customizing workflows in Agiloft for maximum efficiency requires a strategic approach to automation, business rules, and user roles. Here's a step-by-step guide to achieving optimal workflow design. 1. Define workflow objectives. Identify the business process you want to automate. Set clear goals. Example, reducing manual approvals, ensuring compliance, tracking progress. 2. Map out the process flow. Use visual tools like flowcharts to design the workflow steps. Identify entry and exit points for the process. Ensure a logical flow between steps, avoiding bottlenecks. 3. Configure business rules. Leverage Agiloft's rule engine to automate task assignments, approvals, notifications, escalations. Use conditional logic. Example, if an approval is pending for more than 2 days, escalate it. 4. Customize workflow templates. Modify existing templates or create new ones using Agiloft's workflow editor. Define triggers, transitions, and statuses based on business needs. Integrate with external systems if needed. 5. Optimize user roles and permissions. Assign specific roles to users, example, approver, requester, admin. Use access controls to prevent unauthorized changes. Ensure users only see relevant information. 6. Automate notifications and escalations. Configure email and in-system alerts for important tasks. Set up reminders for pending approvals. Use escalation rules to ensure deadlines are met. 7. Test and iterate. Conduct user acceptance testing, UAT, before full deployment. Collect feedback and refine the workflow. Monitor metrics. Example: process completion time, number of escalations. What are Agiloft workflow rules and how to use them for automation? Agiloft workflow rules and how to use them for automation. What are Agiloft workflow rules? Agiloft workflow rules are automation mechanisms that help streamline business processes by triggering specific actions based on predefined conditions. These rules enable organizations to enforce policies, reduce manual work, and improve efficiency in workflows. Types of workflow rules in Agiloft. Action rules automate tasks based on conditions. Example: send an email when a contract is about to expire. Validation rules ensure data integrity by validating inputs before saving records. Escalation rules trigger alerts or actions if conditions are not met within a specified time frame. Assignment rules automatically assign tasks to specific users or groups based on predefined logic. Conditional rules execute actions only if certain conditions are met. How to use workflow rules for automation. Define the business process. Identify repetitive tasks or approval processes that can be automated. Create workflow rules. Navigate to the Rules section in Agiloft. Select the relevant table, example: contracts, support tickets. Click on New Rule and define a trigger condition, example: when a new record is created. Set actions. Choose the action type, example: send notification, update field value, assign a user. Define execution timing, immediate, scheduled, or event-driven. Test the workflow. Ensure rules execute correctly by testing with sample data. Monitor and optimize. Use Agiloft's logs and reporting features to track performance and refine rules. Use cases of Agiloft workflow rules. Contract management. Auto-renew contracts or send reminders for expiry. IT help desk. Assign support tickets based on priority and department. HR onboarding. Automate employee document verification and approvals. Compliance monitoring. Ensure adherence to SLAs with escalation rules. How to manage approvals and notifications in Agiloft workflow. In Agiloft workflow, managing approvals and notifications effectively ensures smooth process automation and compliance. Here's how you can handle them efficiently. 1. Configuring approvals in Agiloft. Approvals in Agiloft can be set up through approval workflows and approval rules. A. Creating an approval process. Define approval steps. Navigate to Setup, Workflow, Approval Workflow. Choose the relevant table, example: contracts, change requests. Define the approval sequence, single, parallel, or multi-level. Set approval rules. Use business rules to trigger approvals when conditions are met. Define criteria like contract value, department, or urgency. Assign approvers. Specify approvers manually or dynamically based on roles. Enable delegation for cases where an approver is unavailable. Configure notifications for approvals. Set up automatic email alerts for approval requests. Notify the next approver in line when a decision is made. Monitor approval status. Use dashboards to track pending, approved, or rejected requests. Create escalation rules if approvals are delayed. 2. Managing notifications in Agiloft. Notifications help keep stakeholders informed and ensure timely action. A. Setting up automated notifications. Go to Setup, Email Notifications. Create a new notification rule. Choose the event that triggers the notification. Example, contract expiry, approval required. Define the recipient list, specific users, roles, or dynamic groups. Customize the message content with placeholders for personalized messages. What are the best practices for configuring business logic in Agiloft workflows? Configuring business logic in Agiloft workflows requires careful planning to ensure automation, efficiency, and compliance with business processes. Below are some best practices to follow when setting up business logic in Agiloft workflows. 1. Define clear business rules and objectives. Document key business requirements before implementing logic. Identify triggers, conditions, and actions required in the workflow. Ensure business rules align with organizational policies and compliance needs. 2. Use rule-based automation effectively. Leverage Agiloft's business rules engine to define automation steps. Utilize event-based triggers, example, record updates, status changes. Implement time rules for actions that must execute at a scheduled interval. 3. Optimize workflow transitions. Ensure sequential and logical transitions between workflow states. Define entry and exit criteria to prevent unintended transitions. Use conditional transitions to enforce approval hierarchies or dependencies. 4. Implement role-based access control, RBAC. Assign permissions based on user roles and responsibilities. Restrict access to sensitive fields and workflow actions. Use teams and groups to manage access control efficiently. 5. Leverage Agiloft's integration capabilities. Utilize REST and SOAP APIs for third-party integrations. Automate external system updates through webhooks or scheduled rules. Ensure smooth data exchange with ERP, CRM, or document management systems. 6. Implement exception handling and error management. Define fallback mechanisms for failed actions in workflows. Use email or system notifications to alert users of exceptions. Log errors and implement audit trails for tracking issues. 7. Utilize Agiloft's reporting and monitoring. Configure dashboard views to track workflow progress. Set up KPI-based reports to monitor business logic effectiveness. Utilize audit logs to review rule executions and modifications. How to integrate Agiloft workflow with external applications and APIs? Integrating Agiloft workflow with external applications and APIs can enhance automation and data exchange across systems. Below are the key approaches. 1. Using Agiloft REST API. Agiloft provides a RESTful API to enable seamless integration with external applications. Steps to integrate via REST API. Enable API access. Navigate to Setup System. Enable API access in Agiloft. Generate API keys or tokens for authentication. 2. Using middleware and iPaaS solutions. If direct API integration is complex, middleware platforms like Zapier, MuleSoft, or Boomi can connect Agiloft to third-party applications. Steps: select an integration platform supporting Agiloft API. Define a trigger event, example, contract approval in Agiloft. Map fields between Agiloft and the external system. Set up API calls to push or pull data. 3. Using Agiloft email integration. External systems can trigger Agiloft workflows by sending structured emails. Agiloft can parse emails and execute workflow actions. Example, an email with new order received in the subject can trigger an order processing workflow. 5. Using database connectors, JDBC, ODBC. If the external system supports SQL databases, Agiloft can integrate using JDBC, ODBC connectors. This allows direct data exchange without API calls. 6. Custom workflow actions. Define custom actions within Agiloft to trigger API calls to external systems. Example, upon contract approval, send an API request to an external CRM. Best practices for integration. Use API rate limits and authentication securely. Implement error handling and logging for debugging. Use webhooks for real-time, event-driven actions. Consider middleware solutions if direct API calls are complex. How to track and optimize workflow performance in Agiloft. Tracking and optimizing workflow performance in Agiloft involves monitoring key performance indicators, KPIs, analyzing bottlenecks, and continuously improving automation and efficiency. Here's how you can do it effectively. 1. Tracking workflow performance in Agiloft. A. Use dashboards and reports. Custom dashboards. Create role-based dashboards to visualize workflow performance. Real-time reports. Generate reports on process execution times, approvals, and escalations. Charts and graphs. Use pie charts, bar graphs, and Gantt charts to track progress. B. Monitor key performance indicators, KPIs. Cycle time. Measure the total time taken for workflow completion. Approval delays. Track bottlenecks in approval processes. Task completion rate. Identify incomplete or overdue tasks. SLA compliance. Ensure service level agreements, SLAs, are met. C. Audit logs and activity tracking. Audit trails. Maintain detailed logs of user actions and modifications. Change history. Track workflow changes for compliance and process optimization. User productivity metrics. Analyze how efficiently tasks are completed. 2. Optimizing workflow performance in Agiloft. A. Identify bottlenecks. Use workflow analytics to pinpoint steps that take too long. Analyze repeated failures or rework in processes. B. Automate manual steps. Implement business rules to automate approvals, escalations, and notifications. Use triggers and conditions to streamline actions based on user inputs. C. Optimize rule execution. Refine workflow conditions to eliminate unnecessary rule executions. Reduce redundant tasks and consolidate approvals. D. Improve role-based access. Ensure users only see relevant tasks based on their roles. Reduce decision-making delays by assigning clear responsibilities. Leverage AI and machine learning. Use AI-driven predictions to suggest workflow optimizations. Analyze historical data for pattern recognition and process improvement. Why choose ProExcellency for Agiloft Workflow Online Training? ProExcellency is a reputable training provider known for its comprehensive and result-oriented online courses. While specific details about their Agiloft Workflow Online Training are not available in the provided sources, their overall commitment to quality education is evident. Here are some reasons to consider ProExcellency for your training needs. Expert-led training. ProExcellency offers courses designed and delivered by industry experts, ensuring that participants receive up-to-date and practical knowledge. ProExcellency.com. Positive reviews. The organization has received excellent feedback from past participants, with a 5.00 out of 5 rating based on 3 reviews. Clients have praised their training programs, particularly in supply chain management. Proven expert. Comprehensive course offerings. ProExcellency provides a wide range of online training and certification courses across various domains, including SAP workflow, supply chain management, and more. ProExcellency.com. Flexible learning options. They offer flexible training schedules, accommodating both weekday and weekend learners, which is beneficial for working professionals. Exporters India. Corporate training services. ProExcellency also provides tailored corporate training solutions, addressing the specific needs of organizations and their employees. ProExcellency.com. Thank you.